Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you all on behalf of Irfan Institute. The mission of our institute is as follows. According to a research, life is equal to 15% technical skill plus 85% human engineering. Therefore, at Irfan Institute, our aim is learn to achieve excellence in any technical skill by following the best learning methodology, that is, do it yourself, and practicing the three main pillars of human engineering, that are truth, honesty, and justice. To achieve excellence in both the technical skills and human engineering, Irfan Institute offers a course. The title is Popular Softwares for Developing Presentations in Windows Operating System. It is lecture number 3, Basics of Microsoft PowerPoint 365. I am your instructor, Nazia Jahan. Let's start with lecture outline. Inshallah, in this lecture, first I will present quick recap. After that, I will discuss basics of Microsoft PowerPoint 365. Let's start with quick recap. In previous lecture, I presented steps for solving any real-world problems using a template-based approach. Secondly, I presented basics of presentation. After that, I discussed popular and widely used presentation development softwares. Recall lecture 2, Basics of Presentation. The real-world problem is understand main features and learn to download, install, and develop slides on 4 popular softwares for developing high-quality presentation. Proposed solution is learn to use 4 popular softwares for developing high-quality presentations, including Microsoft PowerPoint 365, Focus Key, Prezi, and in last, Pitch. Work to be done. The first one is learn to use Microsoft PowerPoint 365. Second, learn to use Focus Key. Third, learn to use Prezi, and in the last, learn to use Pitch. The focus of this lecture is on understand basics of Microsoft PowerPoint 365. Let's move to the second part of this lecture, that is basics of Microsoft PowerPoint 365. The definition of Microsoft PowerPoint 365 is Microsoft PowerPoint empowers you to create clean slides, presentations, and intricate pitch decks, and gives you a powerful presentation maker to tell your story. The main purpose of a presentation is to provide a simple, user-friendly, and easy-to-use environment to plan, design, and develop high-quality presentation slides. An important question is, why we learn to use Microsoft PowerPoint 365? The possible answer to this question is Microsoft PowerPoint 365 is easy to learn and fun to use. Secondly, Microsoft PowerPoint 365 is very simple and powerful tool. Third, with Microsoft PowerPoint 365, you can easily and quickly design high-quality presentation templates, notes, and handouts. The fourth one is Microsoft PowerPoint 365 provides cross-platform supports. It can run on Windows, iOS, Android, and Mac operating system. The main features of Microsoft PowerPoint 365 are as follows. The first one is Insert. You can insert slides, tables, images, illustration, forms, link comments, text, and media on your presentation slide. The second one is design. You can choose new themes and its variants for your slide. Third, animation. You can set animation on the object that you used in your slide. The fourth one is transition. You can set the transition of slides. The fifth one is slide master view. You can create and customize slide master and its layout to create a new template. The sixth one is record. You can record the slide animation, transition, and audio on your slide. The second one is developer. You can control the objects on your slides through Visual Basic Code. The eighth one is draw. You can draw complicated shapes, letter symbols, tables, etc. by using drawing tools. The ninth one is slideshow. It contains tools that control how the slideshow is presented. The system requirements for Microsoft PowerPoint 365. To download Microsoft PowerPoint 365 on different operating systems, we should need to consider some system requirements and specification. For Windows, the processor should be 1.6 GHz or faster 2-core. The memory should be 4 GB RAM and 2 GB RAM is also suitable to download this software. The hard disk should be 4 GB of available disk space. In order to download Microsoft PowerPoint 365 on Mac operating system, the processor should be Intel processor, the memory should be 4 GB RAM, and the hard disk should be 10 GB of available disk space. Let's move to the first to-do and your turn task. The first to-do task is write down one or more features of Microsoft PowerPoint 365 which are not mentioned in this lecture. The first your turn task is search presentation development softwares similar to Microsoft PowerPoint 365 and write down its definition, purpose, importance, main features, system requirements. Let's move to the lecture summary. To summarize, in this lecture, I presented basics of Microsoft PowerPoint 365. In next lecture, inshallah, in the next lecture, I will present a simple and step-by-step process to download Microsoft PowerPoint 365 for Windows operating system. Father of Imam Shah Waliullah Dehlvi, Honorable Shah Abdur Rahim Nurullah Markada said, all that we have received, either the reward of this world or hereafter, are the outcomes of the blessings of Darud Pak. May Allah give us the strength to recite Darud Sharif abundantly. Ameen. We shall be very thankful to you if you may please provide your valuable feedback on this lecture. Jazakumullahu khair. May Allah bless all of us with His afiyat and karam, both in this world and hereafter. Ameen. Ya Rabbul Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.